Hello everybody, Brian Eslick here from How to Automotive, and I'm on my way home, and I had some thoughts running through my head, and I just wanted to get this on video and share with you guys, and that's about being complacent at the shop, you know. And I found myself in that place a while back where I just went to work every day. I didn't bother doing any additional studying, classes, anything. I just went to work day after day, and my pay and everything just got stagnant. So I wanted to make this little video and share with you that, you know, your God-given talents and gifts can only take you so far in this industry, and these cars are changing so fast that you need to step up and take training. You need to study. You need to push yourself. So you can do that in a lot of ways. You can do it by taking classes. You can go to some of these big schools like Tech or UTI, those type of schools. And a lot of cases, those are not going to be around you. Those schools are very expensive, and you know, you have to qualify to get in, all that stuff, financial aid. But what you can do is you can go to your local community colleges. They have a lot of automotive classes. One of the cool things that I've run across is all the auto suppliers and parts stores and stuff like that. A lot of them supply training. So such as WorldPac, Napa, AutoZone, O'Reilly, all those stores and companies, they have training classes, and they're very good. You know, I've taken them. I've gone to a class, learned a few techniques, gone to the work the very next day, put them to use, and made money with it. So I highly recommend that you look into training in any way you can. Another tip for you guys is the scan tools. A lot of these scan tools that are out there nowadays have training on them. And when you're slow at work, you know, take the training on the scan tool and walk through those step-by-step process of diagnosing cars, and use the scan tool itself to help train you and teach you. So this video was meant to motivate you and hopefully give you some ideas of how you can get yourself out there and train and make yourself a better technician. I'm Brian Eslick from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching my videos. Encourage you to subscribe. Invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.